When you plug in a USB drive or external hard drive into your PC, Windows just doesn't care. It flags the disk as unknown, not initialized, no storage space, nothing. Or it shows up as unallocated. The drive is there, but completely inaccessible. Both of these can happen for a few reasons. The disk was never initialized, the MBR got corrupted, or your drivers are outdated or damaged. Whatever's going on, what you do in the next few minutes matters. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes for the Disk 1 unknown issue. Let's get straight into it. Method 1. Update disk driver. Sometimes Windows just has a driver conflict, and this takes 60 seconds to rule out. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand disk drives. If your external hard drive has a yellow warning icon, that's a clear sign something's wrong. Right-click it and hit Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically. Let Windows do the work. Once it's done, restart your PC and check disk management again. Method 2. Use CHKDSK to check the disk. So if the driver update didn't fix it, that means there's a good chance the disk has some file system errors or minor corruption going on. This is where CHKDSK comes in. It's Windows' built-in repair tool, and unlike the next method, it's non-destructive. It doesn't just find errors, it attempts to repair them.
Hit the Start button, type CMD and run it as administrator. Then type CHKDSK F:/F/R. Replace F with the actual letter of your problem drive. The /F flag fixes errors. The /R flag locates bad sectors and recovers readable data. Hit Enter and let it run. This can take a few minutes depending on the drive size, so grab a coffee. Once it finishes, restart and check if the disk is back to normal. Still seeing the error? Alright, time to bring out the bigger tool. Method 3. Initialize and repair with DISKPART. Okay, if you're still here, the issue is likely deeper. We're probably looking at a corrupted partition table or a completely uninitialized disk. DISKPART is a powerful command line tool that lets you directly rebuild the disk structure. If there's data on this drive you care about, jump to the bonus section first. Do that before this step. I'm serious. Still with me? Alright, open Command Prompt as administrator again and type DISKPART and press Enter. When the new window opens, run these commands one by one. List disk. Select disk 1.
Make sure you're selecting the correct disk number. Double check in disk management before you do this. In my case, the problematic drive is disk 2. Next, please enter the following commands. After that, Windows will format it and assign a drive letter, and your disk should finally show up as normal. Bonus: recover data with 4D-DIG data recovery. Alright, so what if Method 3 already ran, and now you're realizing there was actually data on that drive? Or what if the disk is so far gone that none of the above methods even worked? Don't panic. This is exactly what 4D-DIG data recovery is built for. It scans the raw sectors of the disk directly, even if the partition table is gone, even if Windows can't mount it. Download and install 4D-DIG data recovery. Link is in the description, and yes, there's a 3-day free trial. Open the app, select your uninitialized or unallocated disk, and hit Scan. Let it run. You'll start seeing files appear, documents, photos, videos, pulled back from what looked like a dead drive. Select what you want, hit Recover, and save them to a different drive, not the same one you're recovering from. And that's it. Files back. Problem solved. Hope these methods can remove your problem. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.